Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn something cool, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay, and guys, today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn that how to fetch and show RESTful API data in ServiceNow on service portal page. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn something cool, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow. And guys, today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn that how to fetch and show RESTful API data in ServiceNow on service portal page. In this video, in this tutorial, with me ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features, all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this tutorial with me ER Prabhat Pandit in ServiceNow. Okay, so guys, if you want to become a great and dynamic ServiceNow developer in coming future, then guys, you must watch this entire video, and definitely guys, you are going to learn something, you are going to gain something unique, something dynamic, something cool in ServiceNow from this video, from this tutorial of mine. Okay, so guys, now let me go to the example and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features and functionalities of the example to you as well. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built in ServiceNow. Okay, so here we can see the logo of ServiceNow as well, and this is the main navigation bar. This is the main menu item, knowledge, catalog, requests, system status, cart, tours, and system administrator, which is currently me. Okay, and below we can see here how to call and display REST API data in ServiceNow in service portal page. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn, we are going to know that how to call and display RESTful API data in ServiceNow on service portal page, and we will create a dynamic, cool and interactive user card as well using that RESTful API data, that JSON data, which we will fetch, which we will get from the external API server. Okay, and we will create this stunning and dynamic user cards. Okay, so guys, this is the interactive user cards I have built using the RESTful API data itself. Okay, so guys, you can see here they've got here like 10 user data, and on each and every user profile card I have just shown here user pic, username, user email address, user company, status is active, type is premium user, and I have shown here the platform as well, ServiceNow. And on each and every user profile card I have just given here one button also called see user details. Okay, to see the entire user details of a particular user in a nice and dynamic modal as well. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. You will also learn here that how to create an awesome, dynamic, cool and interactive modal as well in ServiceNow today in this video, in this tutorial with me ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, you can see here on each and every user profile card I have just shown here the user profile pic, username and email, company, status, type and platform also. And on each and every user profile card I have just given here one button also called see user details to see the particular user in a nice and dynamic modal as well. Okay, so guys, you can see here this is the user profile card. Okay, I have built using the RESTful API data only, which I have fetched. Okay, so guys, now here is the button to see the particular user details. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to see the entire details of this particular user. Okay, so in order to see the entire details of this particular user, we have to click this button, we have to hit this button, see user details. Okay, so I'm going to click it now. So click it. So see, boom guys, this is the same user profile pic I have just shown here in the modal as well, and here is the name, here is the email, here is the phone, here is the company, here is the website, here is the address, and the type is also premium user. Okay, and here is the button OK to dismiss this modal, and here is the close button also to dismiss this modal as well. Okay, so just click OK. So now I'm going to see the entire details of this particular user in a nice and dynamic modal. So click the button, see user details. Here is the same user profile pic, name, email, phone, company, website, address, and type is also premium user. So click OK. So now I'm going to see the entire details of this particular user. So click the button, see user details. Here is the same user profile pic, here is the name, email, phone, company, website, address, and type. Click OK. So just see this user details in a nice and dynamic modal. So click the button, see user details. So here is the same profile pic, here is the name, here is the email, here is the phone, here is the company, here is the website, here is the address, and here is the type premium user. So click OK. Okay, so we can see guys each and every user details in a nice and dynamic modal as well, and I have shown here the same profile pic here also, and in the modal as well I have shown the same profile pic. Okay, so here is the image, here is the profile pic of the user, name, email, phone, company, website, address, and type. Click OK. So this is it guys. We are going to learn, we are going to build this application in ServiceNow using the ServiceNow portal and ServiceNow widget as well. Okay, so guys, I hope you are now excited, you are now thrilled to learn and to create this dynamic and cool ServiceNow application after watching this video, after watching this session of mine. Okay, so guys, this is it, this is all about, this is the feature, this is the functionalities of this tutorial of this ServiceNow application which I have built using RESTful API. And here we can see here the you can see the text also, you can see the heading also, how to call and display REST API data in ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, so guys, this is it. So guys, basically we are going to learn here how to create a service portal, and how to create a page, and how to create a widget, and how to call that widget on our ServiceNow service portal page, and then we will then we will call a RESTful API data, and then we will create this dynamic, cool, and interactive user profile card in ServiceNow only, and we will create this modal as well, where we will show the entire user details including user pic, username, email, phone, company, website, address, and type also. Okay, so guys, this is going to be very dynamic and very learning tutorial for ServiceNow developer. Okay, so guys, if you are someone who is inspiring, who is dreaming to become a great and dynamic ServiceNow developer, then guys, this video is definitely for you, this tutorial is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this entire video, and guys, I guarantee you, I promise you that you are going to learn something cool, something great, something dynamic, something awesome in ServiceNow today from this video, from this tutorial of mine. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this ServiceNow application using RESTful API. We will also learn how to fetch the REST API data from external API server in our ServiceNow service portal page in a widget. Okay, so guys, let's get started and let's learn and let's create this application. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I'll upload the new video in the playlist. You will be notified. And guys, you have to do here 4 things for me. Okay, so guys, first of all, you have to subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and guys, second, you have to press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist. And third, guys, you have to like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and ServiceNow as well. And you have to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so guys, I'm going to trust you, I'm going to count on you that you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, you will press the bell icon also, you will like this video also, and you will share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so guys, this is it. Now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this application and let's learn how to fetch the RESTful API data in ServiceNow service portal widget. Okay, with me ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so this is it. So guys, now this is my PDI, which is personal development instances. Okay, so guys, this is my PDI I'm going to create here. So guys, what I told you guys, here we are going to learn how to create a service portal, how to create a page, how to create a widget, and how to call the widget on service portal. Okay, so this is it. So guys, now first of all, I'm going to create here a brand new page. Okay guys, I'm going to create here a brand new page. So let's just create here, go to the all and just search here pages. Okay, just click this link pages. I'm going to create a brand new page. So guys, in order to create the page, we have to click this button new. So click it now. So here is the some fields we have to fill here. Only ID field is required field and rest all fields are optional field. Okay, but we have to fill this ID because this is the compulsory, this is the mandatory field. Rest all fields are optional fields. Okay, this is it. So let's just give the page title as well. I'll just say here Prabhat YouTube. Okay, YouTube service now. Okay, ServiceNow tutorial. Okay, so copy this name from here and we will save it, okay, somewhere for future reference. Okay, so let's just give here page. Okay, so let's just give here, what is this? This is the title. So give here and I'll give the ID as well. So just now I'll give the ID. So I'll give the ID here guys as a 1111. Okay, so I'll give here 6 times 1. Let's just copy this ID as well for the future reference, so it will be easy to search our page, okay, with this ID or with this title. Okay, this is it. So let's just make it public. So take this checkbox to make it public. Okay, so guys, if we can give here short description as well, so let's just copy this text from here and give the short description as well. So this is the short description. Okay, you can use this. Okay, use SEO script as well if you want, but let it be only. So only ID field is required field, all fields are optional. So guys, now I have given here the title ID and I have made this, okay, page public page. Okay, and I have given here the short description as well, Prabhat YouTube ServiceNow tutorial. Okay, so guys, now right click here and just choose the option save. So click it now, save. So guys, now we have just created our page with the name, okay, with the title Prabhat YouTube ServiceNow tutorial, and here is the ID. You can see here with the ID here 6 times 1. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to cut this out. Okay, I'm going to cut this out page. Okay, I'm going to create here now the portal first. So now I'm going to search here portals. Okay, so now just click this link portals to create the new portal. Okay, like this portal. Okay, like this portal, I'm going to create here a new portal. So in order to click the, in order to create a new portal, we have to click this button new. So click it now. So here is the title is required field and URL suffix is also a required field. Rest all fields are optional fields. Okay, rest all fields are optional fields. Okay, but I'll fill all the fields. Okay, I'll fill all the fields. Okay, so let's just create here. I'll just say here portal. Okay, portal, and let's just give you a title. Okay, and URL suffix is also important. So now let's just give you a title. I'll say here YouTube. Okay, YouTube page. Okay, this is it. So copy this title from here. It will be easy to search it later on. Okay, if we will need it. Okay, and I'll give the URL suffix as a PP, which means Prabhat Pandit. Okay, PP, I'll give here the URL suffix as a PP. So paste it here, which means Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to give here the home page. Okay, so you can see here, here is the guys home page. So guys, now I'm going to give here the home page, the page we have just created. Guys, I'm going to give here the home page. This the page guys we have just created right now. Okay, so I'll just copy this. Okay, so I'll just copy this title name from here and I'll search. Okay, so click this search icon to search the icon. okay, to search the page. So you can see here for text, I'm going to paste it here, hit enter. So here is the id of the page, okay, we have just created. You can see here is the id 6 times 1, and here is the also same id 6 times 1. Okay, so I'm going to give here the kv home page. We can give it anything, okay, but let's just choose here this. Okay, I'm going to choose here this kv category as a kv home page. I'll just give you the login page as well. So search here login, hit enter. So here is the login page, choose this, and I'm going to give you the logo as well. Okay, so let's just select the file from the system, from the device as well. So let's just go to the downloads, okay, and here is the icon. This is the logo of ServiceNow. So I'm going to use this logo of ServiceNow. Click open. Okay, so now click OK. This is it. Okay, and now I'm going to give you the 404 page as well. So I'll just search here 404, hit enter, and here is the 404. Click it. Okay, so I'm going to give you the catalog home page as well. I'll give you the catalog home page as a give here the okay this page, and I'm going to give you the catalog category home page as well. So click this search icon. We can assign this anything. Okay, as of now we are just learning here, but this is also like up to the mark only. There is no any issue, there is no any problem at all. So I'll just choose this, say here kv view 2. Okay, this is it. I'm going to give you the main menu as well. So guys, okay, this menu, okay, this navigation menu, okay, this navigation menu, I'm going to assign it now. So click this search icon, okay, and I'll just use here the sp header menu. So this guys, okay, this sp header menu, so click it. So now I'm going to give you the theme as well. I'll choose here the theme as a coral, okay, this coral, okay, this coral theme. So click it. This is it. And now we can make it active or inactive as well, but as of now let's just make it active. I'm not going to check this inactive checkbox. Okay, so guys, this is it. We have just given each and everything, and now right click here and choose the option save. Okay, so click it, save. So guys, now our portal is now created, and guys, you can see here we have got here 4 buttons also: try it, update, view analytics, settings, and delete. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to try it, this page, the portal we have just created. So click this button, try it now. So here is the brand new portal we have just created. So see, boom guys, here is the brand new portal we have just created, and this is the old portal I have just created. Okay, and this is the brand new portal we have just created here in this video, in this tutorial. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, now let me just so yeah, we have got each and everything. So let's just close this. Okay, let's just close this. Okay, we have to remove extra tabs. Okay, so now I'm going to search the page we have just created. So go to the pages. Okay, click this link, pages. Okay, so go here and copy this text from this page. We have to search this page now. So hit enter, and here is the id. You can see here 6 times 1. Here is also 6 times 1, which means this is our page. So click it to open it. So now I'm going to open this page, guys. So guys, go to the related links. Okay guys, go down to the related links. So here is the related links. We have to open this page in a designer. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to click this link, open in designer, to open this page in a designer. Okay, so click it now. So here it is, here it is. Okay, so now let's just choose here 12 first. Okay, and I'm going to give here home. Okay, home search. Okay, home page search as a search engine. Okay, so it is going to save automatically. It is going to save automatically. So this is it. And now come here and now refresh this portal. You can see here this is our portal. So refresh it now. So here is the search icon, like search input field. We can search anything. So guys, this is going to work as a Google search engine only, but this will work for the ServiceNow only. Okay, so guys, this search engine, okay, is going to work like a Google search engine, but this will work for ServiceNow only. We can search here knowledge articles, knowledge, okay, information. We can search any kind of like items, to order it, to place it. Okay, to okay we can search any kind of like okay we can guys search anything in ServiceNow only. I'll just show you. So let's just search here email. Okay, I'm going to search here email. So how to configure email, how to create email, it is going to give. Okay, so this is the knowledge article. This is the you can see here, this is the knowledge article. Okay, you can see here new email account, you can request email alias, okay, create an email signature. So this kind of information we can read and we can implement it to create, to change, to modify, to do whatever we want to do. Okay, so this is the knowledge article, this is the knowledge kb. You can see here, this is the knowledge article, we can read it. And I'm going to now search here, okay, laptop, to order it. So laptop, hit enter. So this is the item, we can just order it. So I'm going to order this developer laptop Mac. So click it now. Okay, so you can see here guys, this is like, okay, this is guys like ordering something from any shopping sites, okay, like Amazon sites, like Flipkart sites, or any other shopping sites. Okay, this is like guys ordering anything from any other shopping sites, okay, like Amazon or Flipkart. Okay, so I don't want any optional software. You can see here optional software, it is going to come with the optional software as well. Okay, okay, Adobe Acrobat, okay, Adobe Photoshop, okay, Eclipse IDE, but I don't want any additional or optional software. So I'm going to uncheck this checkbox now. This is it. I just want this developer laptop for my office work, for my office purposes. Okay, so I'm going to order it now. So click the button order now. So it will create a request, or it will create an incident. Okay, so here is the order confirmation modal. So click the button checkout to place this order, to place. Okay, so the order will go to the backend now. Okay, so it will go to the backend team. Here is the requested item number, and here is the requested item MacBook. We have just ordered, I have just ordered. So you can see here a new incident is now created, and the requested is system administrator, which is me, and here is the date and time, and here is the request created. Okay, so now this request, this incident, okay, will go to the backend team, and the backend team will work on it, and they will try to gather, they will try to collect all the information from you through email, through chats, through WhatsApp, through calls, okay, in person, at your office desk. Also they are going to contact you, okay, through these mechanism, and they will like, okay, they will like assign you, they will assign you this MacBook Developer Pro laptop, if it is required, if it is needed. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is it guys. So let's just go to the home. Okay, I'll explain you in depth, in details, in a next video, in a separate video. Okay, this is it. So guys, now just come here. I'm going to edit it. So click this pencil icon to edit it. Okay, I'm going to give you the background images as well. So let's just choose the image from here. So this is the background image I'm going to use. Okay, this is the background image I'm going to use. So click now. Okay, so we can give here other information as well, but I don't want to give any other information. I just wanted to, okay, instead of background style default, I'll just choose here cover. Okay, I'll choose here cover. So just click the button save. Okay, this is it. So now just as of now, just save this. It is going to save automatically. Refresh this portal page now. So here is the our background image now. I'm going to edit this now. Click this pencil icon. So click it now, and now we can give here the title. I'll just say here search here anything, any time, anytime. This is it. Give you a short description. I'll give you my name, but this should be some meaningful name. Okay, you have to give here some meaningful name. Okay, don't put here your name or your anything or your designation. Just put here some meaningful text, some meaningful information. Okay, but for this demo, for this tutorial, I'm going to give here my name only. Okay, this is it. So give here AI search. I'm going to give here anything, give here this only. This is it. Search here, search configuration. I will give here knowledge portal search. This is it. I'll give the placeholder of the search input field as well. I'll just say here, please search anything here in ServiceNow. this is it. Okay, in ServiceNow. Okay, so I guess I have just reached the limit. Okay, so let's just search search anything, search anything uh, in ServiceNow. Okay, search anything in ServiceNow. Okay, this is it, and I'll just give here the give here all knowledge articles. Okay, this is it. So now click save. This is not required, this is not mandatory, but for your for this demo, for you only, I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is it. It is going to save automatically. So now come here and refresh the page now. So here we can see here the text I have given here, search here anything anytime, and here is the my name er Prabhat Pandit, and here is how can be help. Okay, so let's just change this. Okay, placeholder as well. So let's just change this placeholder as well. So save. Okay, so why I think, but why it is given then? Okay, so let it be, guys. Okay, it is not required. Okay, although here is the placeholder how can be help. Okay, so this is it. We can now search here anything. I'll just search here mobile. Okay, so mobile, hit enter. So here is the results for mobile here. Okay, you can see here corporate mobile device bulk order Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. Okay, so we can place this order, but I don't go, I'm not going to place any order now. Okay, I just I'm just showing you for your knowledge, for your information. Okay, so go to the home now. Okay, so now we will just create the widget. Okay, now we will create a widget, and we will fetch this data, this RESTful API data from third party, from third party external API. I'm going to create a widget now. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here a brand new widget, and then we will call that widget here in our ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, here we will call that widget. Okay, I'm going to create here here a widget now. So let's just close this now. We don't need this page now. Okay, so now let's just close this as well. Okay, I'm going to create here one new brand new widget now. Okay, so go to the widgets. So click this widgets inside the service portal. Okay, so now I'm going to create here new widget. So click the button new. In order to click the in order to create the in order to build a new widget, we have to click this button new. Okay, so click it now. So now yeah, this is the widget. Okay, so now let's just give here. So here is the name is the required field. Okay, so we have to fill this name, otherwise this will be not saved. Okay, so let's just come here, and now I'll just say here widget. Okay, so now it's name, and there is the ID as well. Okay, so now I'll give the name as a API. Okay, I'll say here API widget. Okay, API widget. Okay, so copy this name API. It's wrong, it's API. So copy this API widget and just paste it here, and I'll give the ID as well. I'll say here 5 times 6 as a ID. So copy this ID as well. Okay, and let's just paste it here, and just copy this API widget and give this as a description only. This is it, make it public. So click the button or check this checkbox. So right now just right click here and save it first, so that the page will be saved and our information will be saved or preserved. Okay, this is it. So yeah, so now guys, I'm going to write here some script also. We have to write here some script inside the client controller, which is the client script. Okay, so guys, client controller, guys, this client controller is known as the client script as well, and this is the controller C. This C is known as the controller as. Okay guys, this C is known as the controller as, and this C will let you, okay guys, this C will let you bind variable, data, function, expression from this client controller, to your HTML part, okay, to your HTML part through this okay, through this C, through this C only, okay, through this C only. This C will let you bind, okay, variables, expression, function to your HTML part, to your view part, okay, to your HTML part, to your view part, okay. This is it, okay. So now come down, we have to write here some script also. So very quickly I'm going to write here some script, okay. So first of all I'm going to create here few variables also very quickly, okay. So now I'm going to guys, so first of all I'm going to guys, okay, guys, first of all I'm going to import here few dependencies also, guys. First of all I'm going to import here few dependencies as well. So the first dependencies is, I'll say here $scope, okay, $scope. So this scope, guys, this scope is going to work as a bridge, okay, guys, okay. This $scope, guys, listen to me very carefully. This $scope is going to work as a bridge between your client controller, between your client controller to your HTML part, to your view part, okay. So guys, listen to me very carefully one more time, guys, okay. This $scope, guys, this $scope is going to work as a bridge, is going to work as a bridge between your client controller, between your client controller to your HTML part, to your view part, okay. This is it, okay. So now I'm going to import here another dependencies, which is $http, okay, which is $http. So guys, okay, this is the dependency in Angular, and this dependency, guys, this dependency $http, guys, listen to me very carefully. This dependency $http is going to call, is going to allow you to, okay, like establish a connection between your ServiceNow and to the external API, to the RESTful API. So to fetch the data, to send the data, to send the request to the server, okay, we have to use here $http dependencies. So that's why I have just imported here this dependencies as well, $http, to request the data, to request the data to, I mean, to request the data to a server, okay. So this $http is going to let us fetch the data, okay. In simple term, this $http dependency is going to allow you to fetch the data from the external API, okay. This is it, okay. This is it. And now I'm going to import here another dependencies, which is sp, okay, which is sp modal, okay. So this dependency sp modal is going to allow you to show the modal, to show the alerts, to show the confirmation modal as well, okay. So guys, this sp modal is going to allow you to show the modal, to show the alerts, to show the confirmation in your ServiceNow service portal, okay. So that's why I have just imported here this sp modal dependency as well, okay. So here is, so guys, this is known as the parameter, or in technical term in Angular, guys, this is known as the parameter, but in technical term in Angular we called it dependencies, okay. We call this dependencies, okay. This is it. So now I'm going to create here a few more variables. So I'll just say here c.users, okay. I'll just create here empty array. So this is it. Later on we will assign the value to this empty array when we will fetch the data, when our data will be ready to be stored, okay. So now I'll just create here the loader as well. So I'll just say here c.loader, okay, c.loading. So as of now, let's just initially I'll show the loading true, okay, because we are fetching the data, so it might take a few moments, it might take few seconds, okay. And till then we will show the loader to the user that we are fetching the data, please wait a while, we are fetching the data, please wait a while. So for this moment we will show the loading true. So then only we will be able to show the loader to the user, okay. This is it, okay. This is it. And now I'll just use here $http and $http dot get method, and here we have to pass here the API URL, which URL we will hit, okay, which URL we will hit, and we will fetch the JSON data, we will fetch the RESTful API data. So we have to provide here that URL, okay. So I'm going to copy the URL from here. So this is the URL I'm going to hit. Okay, so guys, this is the dummy user URL we're going to hit. Okay, so copy this from here and just paste it here. So now this will give the promise. Okay, this will give the promise if promise is resolved. Okay guys, if promise is successful, if it is resolved, okay guys, this will give the promise. And if it is resolved, if it is successful, guys, this will give the, okay guys, okay, this line will give us the promise. Okay, this line will give us the promise. And if it is successful, if it is resolved, okay guys, this line will give us the promise. And if it is successful, if it is resolved, then we will get the data. So we will say here dot then, and then we will get the then I'll run here one function also. So I'll just say here dot then, and then this is the callback function, and I'll give you the response. We can give here anything, it is only up to us. And now just open this, and now we will just say here. So now we will assign. Okay, so copy this c dot user, and we will assign the value, okay, equal to, I'll just say here this response. Okay, this response dot data, this response dot data, this is it. Close this, and now I'll just console dot log as well for you only. So console dot log, and I'll just close this. I'll just say here response dot data, this is it. Okay, response dot data. And now we are getting the data, now. So we have to technically we have to hide the loader as well. Okay, so I'll just say here c dot loading equal to, I'll give here false. Okay, because we are getting the data, so we have to make this loader now false. Okay, because we are getting the data, so we have to make this loader now false. And now if, okay, if it is false, okay, so guys, if this promise is not resolved, okay guys, suppose this promise is not resolved, okay, we got the issue, we got the error, then we have to catch it inside the catch block. So I'll just say here catch, and run a callback function like this, and I'll pass the error object. Okay, error object like this. And now we will just say here, I'll just say here c dot loading. We have to say here, we have to make the loading equal to again false, because we have to show the error. So we have to make the loading false now. I'll just say here sp modal dot alert. I'm going to show the alert in the modal, okay, that something went wrong. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, I'll just say here failed. I'll say here failed to fetch the data. Okay, fetch the data, and I'll show the data as well. So I'll just concatenate plus, okay, concatenate plus, I'll just say here error dot, okay, status text, to show the status text also, that what is the issue, what is the problem. Okay, so guys, as of now just to close this. Okay, as of now guys, just to close this. Okay, and now guys, this is the required script we have to run, we have to call when our page will load, when our page will refresh also. Okay, so guys, now let's just save this page first. Okay, so right click here and choose the option save. So click save now. Okay, so guys, now this widget is now saved. Okay, so copy this widget name from here. So okay, copy this widget name from here and come here, and let's just refresh this page one more time. So now just refresh this page. Okay, and now let's just create here container first. I'm going to create here one container first. So click this plus icon to create a new container here only. So click this plus icon. So now choose this 12. So choose this 12, and now we have to, guys, now we have to search this widget with the name API widget. So copy this widget name from here, and we have to search here inside the widget only, inside the widgets tab only, inside the widgets tab only. So just paste it here, and we can see here it is here now. So we can drag it and we can drop it here. So just drop it here. Okay, this is it. So okay, so now it is saved. So come here and now refresh this page. Okay, so go to the console now. We can see their data. Okay, go to the console. So see, boom guys, here is the data. Okay, so guys, here is the data. So this is the array of object, and it contains, okay, 10 element only. So here is the first element and here is the last element, so the length is 10. Okay, so here is the data, guys. Let's just open this first element. Here is the address, and address itself is an object. Okay, you can see here this address contains city, geolocation, street, suite, and zip code. Open this company. This company is again an object. It contains bs, okay, catchphrase and the name of the company. Here is the email, here is the id, here is the name, here is the phone, here is the username, here is the website. Okay, but guys, now I'm going to, okay guys, now I'm going to create here, I'm going to insert here my custom properties as well. Okay guys, I'm going to insert here, I'm going to create here, I'm going to add here my custom property as well. Okay, so guys, now listen to me very carefully. What I'm going to say here, guys, I'm going to insert here, I'm going to add here, I'm going to create here the custom property as well. Okay, so I'm going to create here the custom properties as well. So what I'll say here, I'll just say here c.users, okay, c.users.forEach, okay, and I'll run one callback function as well, callback function, and I'll just say here user, okay, user, and now I'll just create here one function as well. Okay, so let's just close this, and now what I'll do here, I'll just say here user dot, I can give here user dot, okay, so say here user dot is active equal to, I'll give here true. So this is the boolean value, true. So close this. Now I'll just say here user dot, I'll just say here profile type, I'll give here premium. Okay, so premium, so close this, and now I'll just say here user dot, I can give here platform, okay, platform, I'll give here ServiceNow. Okay, ServiceNow. So guys, this is the custom property, this is the new property I'm going to insert, I'm going to add inside the this user object. Okay, inside this, okay, response dot data user object. Okay, this is it. And now I'll just say here user dot is developer equal to er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so close this. Okay, so guys, as of now, first of all, let's just come here, and I will just create here okay, so I'll just create here few other variable also. So I'll just say here c dot, okay, header, c dot header equal to, I'll just say here learn service now with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, Prabhat Pandit, this is it. So close this. So now copy this c dot header from here, and it will be available inside our HTML part, inside our Vue part also. So now just come here, and now I'll create here div. So create a div, give the class as well. I'll just say here container, okay, container, and margin top I'll give you 5, margin bottom also I'll give you 5, and just to close this div now, and now open this div, and now I'll just create here, I just create here h1, and just close this h1 now, and I'll just use here the interpolation, or we can say here technically string interpolation, and just paste it here. This is it. I can give here the class as well. So I'll just say here header, okay, header, and this is it. So let's just now create here subheader as well. So let's just okay, don't copy it, let's just create brand new. I'll just say here subheader equal to, I'll just say here call, and I can, instead of call, say here fetch, and display, okay, fetch and display restful API data in service now on service portal. Okay, this is it. Let's just close this now and just copy this c dot subheader, and it will be also available in our view part, in our HTML part. Okay, so let's just create here another h2 element and just close this h2 very quickly and give the class as well. I'll just say here subheader. Okay, so let's just open this and let's just create here double curly braces and just paste it here. This is it. Okay, as of now guys, just save the file or just save this widget. Okay, so click save now. This is it. Come here and refresh this page now. So let's just close this developer tools and now refresh this page. Yeah, we can see here learn ServiceNow with Prabhat Pandit and fetch and display RESTful API data in ServiceNow on service portal. So we have to write here custom CSS also. So just come here and go to the CSS part. So here is the CSS only, CSS column. I'll just say here header. Okay, header. So let's just write here custom CSS. So I'll just say here font size. I'll give here font size of 60px, or let's just put here 50px and just close this, and let's just say here text align. I'll say here center. Font weight I'll give here 900, and I'll just say here font family as well. I'll just say here sans serif. Okay, sans serif. This is it. So just close this and now copy this and just make this subheader as well, and let's just decrease the font size of 30px. Okay, and let's just give the font width as well 600. Okay, this is it. As of now, just save the file. Okay, hit save. So it is now saved. Come here and now refresh this page. Yeah, so this looks cool, and I showed you also that we are getting the data in the console. So go to the console one more time. Here is the array of object. So see, here is the array of object. Okay, which means we are getting the data. Okay, which means we are getting the data. We just have to show this data in a nice and dynamic and interactive profile card. Okay, so here is the profile type. Okay, here is the address, here is the company, here is the email, here is the ID, here is the is active, true, here is developer Prabhat Pandit, here is name, here is the phone, here is the platform, here is the username, and here is the website. Okay, we will just show this data in a nice and dynamic and interactive profile card. Okay, so I'm going to create the profile card now. Okay, so now just come here and let's just bring it here. So now here is the data. We're getting the data. Okay, we're getting the data, guys. Okay, so first of all, let me just show here the loader. First of all, I'll show you the loader. So I'm going to create here one div now. Okay, I'll just create a div, give the class also, so we can give here class as a loading as well. Okay, it is just a class. So just close this div now, and I'll just use here ng. Okay, ng if. Okay, ng if. Okay, if ng if c. Okay, let's just copy this loader. Okay, this c dot loading, if it is true, we will show the loader. Okay, if it is true, we will show the loader first. So let's just open this div now. Open this div now. Okay, so if loading is true, we will show the loader. Okay, so guys, if loading is true, we will show the loader first. Okay, so now let's just say here, I'll just say here I. Let's just create I, and let's just close this I very quickly. So I'll just say here class name. I'll just say here fa spinner fa 2x. Okay, and this is it, and I'll just say here h1, and I'll just close this h1. I'll just say here loading. Okay, users, loading users data. please wait, please wait, give here three dots. Okay, give here three dots. Okay, and as of now, just save this file. We will be able to see this loader if spinner class is okay, if spinner class is true. Okay, if spinner class is okay, if spinner class is true, we will be able to see the so say here, I can say here far spin, far spin. Okay, far spin, and far spinner is okay. So this is it. Okay, so loading data, please wait. Okay, so just save the file one more time, hit save. So now just to come here, now this file is saved, come here and refresh the page. We will be able to see the loader now. Okay, so see, here is the loader, loading user. Let me just refresh one more time. Here is the text. Okay, I hope you saw it. Okay, I hope you saw it, guys. You can see here loading data, please wait. Okay, so because the net is very fast, okay, so we won't be able to see it for a longer time. Okay, so let me just copy this and let's just bring it to the center of the screen. So I'll just give here, paste it here, and now I'll just say here, so I can give here text align center, close this, and now just if it is h1, okay, so let's just increase the font size. Okay, I'll just say here size. Okay, I'll just say here size 50. Okay, so let's just copy this class name size 50, which means font size of 50 px. Okay, so I'll just say here font size of 50 px. Just save this file. Okay, so now this file is saved. Come here and refresh the page one more time. So here is the you can see, guys, here is the text and here is the loading spinner. You can see here loading spinner, loading user data, please wait. Okay, I hope you saw it. Okay, this is it. So guys, now this is it now. Now okay, so let's just here is the container, and now I'm going to create here another div. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here another div. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here another div. Okay, so I'll just create here div now. So create a div and just give the class as well. I'll give the class as a row only. I'll give the class row as a justify content. I'll say here center, and I'll just give here, so here is the ng if. So if loading is true, we will see this div spinner. If loading is false, we will see this. Okay, so I'll just say here ng if. Okay, ng if, and if does not equal to c dot loading. Okay, if loading is false. Okay, so let's just copy this from here. So we will have, okay, 0 error of a scope. Okay, so copy this from here and just paste it here. Okay, so if loading is false, now we will be able to see this div. Okay, if loading is false, we will be able to see this div. Okay, so now if loading is false, we will be able to see this div. Okay, so now I'm going to create here another div inside this. I'll just create here another div inside this div now. So create a div and just okay guys, okay, let's just enlarge this. I hope you will be able to see it. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, I'm very sorry, I have to enlarge here also, but this is okay, guys. Okay, this is really simple and this is really cool. Okay, if you still have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to read it, I'll try to address it, and I'll definitely try to give you the best possible answer, best possible solution as well. Okay, so although I have increased it now, okay, I hope this is visible to you. This is clearly visible to you as well. Okay, I hope, guys, okay, this is visible to you. Okay, although there is no any issue, there is no any problem at all, and I hope you are getting me what I'm doing here. Okay, so guys, now I have enlarged the screen. Okay, now it will be clearly visible to you. So just close this div now. Okay, and now I'll give you a class as well. So I'll just say here class. Okay, I'll just say here call md, call md4. I'll give you call md4. Okay, and I'll say here mb4 as well. So now I'll just say here, now I'll use here the angular directive, which is ang repeat. The ang repeat is going to loop through the array. It is going to loop through the array of object as well. So guys, we use, okay guys, we use angular directive ang repeat to loop through the array, of object. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. We use the angular directive ang repeat to loop through the array, of object. Okay, this is it. So I will also use here ang repeat. So I'll just say here ang repeat equal to this. So I'll just say here, user in, okay, okay, this c dot user. Okay, this c dot user. So copy it from here and just paste it here, okay. So now open this div now, and inside this div we will create our card. Okay, so inside this div I'm going to create here another div. So div, so just to close this div now, I'll just create here the card now. I'll just say here card, I'll just say here hover card class as well, hover card. Okay, so let's just give you a little bit of space for you only. Okay, so now I think this is visible to you, and I think this is also visible to you. And if you still have any doubt, any query, guys, you can ask me in the comment section below. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now come here, open this div now. Okay, open this div now, and inside this div I'll just say here mb3 as well, and I can give here, okay, shadow sm as well. Okay, I'll give you a shadow sm as well, and I'll just say here height of 100%. This is it. And inside this div now, inside this div I'm going to create here img element. So I'll just say here img, and to show the image in Angular we have to say here ang src. Okay, ang src equal to, okay, ang src equal to, I'll give the class as well, I'll give the class as a img top. Okay, I'll just say here img, okay, img top I'll give here, or say here card, okay, card img top, img top, and I can say here rounded. Okay, rounded as well. I can give you a rounded, we can give you a rounded circle as well. So circle as well, and I can give you mx auto as well to bring it to the center, okay, of the container. Okay, so margin top I'll give you a 3, margin bottom also I'll give you a 3. Okay, give you a 3 only. Just close this. This is the self closing tag. Okay, so now instead of ng src I'll use this, okay, URL. So this is going to give you the user profile pic. Okay, so let's just paste it here. So this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, as of now guys, just save this file. Okay, as of now just save this file, and now come here, refresh this page now. Loading user data, please wait. So see, boom guys, here is the user data. Okay guys, here is the user data. You can see here I have shown here the user profile pic. Now we have to show here name, email, phone number, address, company, and all the other details as well. Okay, so so now just come here, and now we will just inside this div only, below this img element. Let's just first of all guys, let's just copy this. Okay, let's just copy this class class from img, and let's just paste it here. Okay, and let's just we will copy this container class as well, and we will just apply the classes as well. So paste it here, and just open this, and we will just apply the class to the this row class as well. So copy it from here and just paste it here as well. This is it. So first of all, let's just target this card img top. I'll just say here width of 100 pos, and I'll just say here height I'll give here 200 px. I'll just say here display I'll give here block Okay, so I'll just close this. I'll just say here object fit. I'll say here cover. I'll just say here border radius. I'll give you a border radius. I can give you a border radius of 10 px. Okay, I can give you a little bit of box shadow as well, so I'll just say here box shadow. Okay, box shadow I'll give you 0 2 px and 10 px. I'll just use the RGBA value, RGBA. So just close this 0 comma 0 comma 0 0.3. This is it as of now. Just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So now just come here, refresh the page now. Loading user data, please wait. So guys, here is the our image. Okay, so let's just let me just show you the actual size. Okay, so this will look cool. Okay, so this is our image. Okay, this is our image. So we have to come here. Let's just increase this. Okay, because I'm going to code here, so it will be visible to you. Okay, this is it. So come here, and now let's just come here. So what I'll do here, I'll just copy this. Okay, column d4. So copy this column d4 and just come here and inside CSS paste it here, and now I'll just say here, I'll say here margin. Okay, margin top I'll give you 15 px, and I can give you margin, okay, bottom of 15 px as well. Okay, so as of now let's just come here to the container class, and I'll just say here display. Okay, I'll use your display flex. I can give you flex direction as well. Flex direction I'll give you column. I'll say here flex. Okay, wrap. Okay, flex wrap I'll give you wrap only. This is it. I can give you justify or align. Okay, align items. Aligns items I'll give you center, and I can just say here justify content. I'll say here center, and I can give you okay, as of now just save the file. Okay, and see how it looks like now. So just click save. So now it is now saved. Come here, now refresh this page. Loading user data, please wait. And now we can see here there is the gap now between the cards. So let's just go to the actual size. Yeah, so now this looks cool. Okay, now this looks cool. Okay, now this looks cool. Okay, so now let's just come here. First of all, let's just enlarge this, otherwise it will be not visible to you only. Okay, this is it. So now just come here, and now what I'll do here, I'll just say here justify. I just say here justify content. I'll center. I'll just say here display flex, and I can give here the flex wrap. Okay, flex wrap. This is it. Okay, this is it. And now I can give here let me just check to the card. So width is 100%, height is 200 px, and it's object it's fit, not fix, it's fit. Okay, this is it. So now let's just save this file one more time, and it is now saved. Come here and now refresh the page. Loading user data, please wait. So now this looks cool. Okay, so now let's just go to the actual size. Go to the 100 only. So this is the actual size. Now this looks cool. Okay, and now everything is inside the center. So now we will show the other details as well, all the other details. Okay, like email, phone number, address, company, username. Okay, all the things. Okay, so just go to the enlarge it now. So now come here and come here. So now below this img element, I'm going to create here another div. I'm going to create here another div. I'll just say here class card body. I'll give here class as a card body. Close this div now, and inside this div we will show the other details as well. Okay, and inside this I'll show the other details as well. Okay, so now I'll just say here inside this div, inside the card body div, I'll just create here h2 element, h2, to show the name of the user. Okay, I'll just say here string interpolation or double curly braces. I'll just say here user. Okay guys, this user, okay, this user is the object. Okay, this user is now an object, and it contains all the element, from the this, okay, from this data, okay, from this response.data, it contains all the elements. Okay, and this is the custom, and this is the custom property we have just created here. We have added here these are the custom properties. Okay, properties, this is it. Okay, so now just come up, and now we will say here user dot name to show the name. This is it. And now I'll just say here, I'll just create here another h3 element, create here h3 element, and I'll just give here the so say first here give here class. I'll give here class as a card title, and I'll just say here class as a card, okay, card subtitle. Okay, subtitle, this is it. And to show the subtitle, or we can show here the email. Okay, so I'll just say here user dot email. Okay, I showed you. Let me just go to the developer tool one more time. So go to the inspect and go to the console and just open this array of object. You can see here we are getting the data here. Okay, so now just open this array of object. It contains, okay, 10 elements only. So open this. Okay, so here is the, let me just show you one more time. Here is the email, here is the ID, here is the is active true, here is the is developer, Prabhat Pandit, here is the name. Okay, here is the phone, here is the email also. So here is the email. So I'm going to show the email here now. So just here is what we are doing here, user.email to show the email. So let's just save this page now. Okay, so just save it now, and now let's just close this. We don't need this now. Refresh this page now. Loading user data, please wait. So see, now guys, we can see here is the name, here is the email address. So let me just come here, and let me just come here and copy this class card hover. Okay, hover card class from here, and we have to now put here classes css properties on this class as well, hover card. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, hover card. Okay, so I'll just say here I can say here cursor. Okay, cursor, I'll give you a pointer, and I'll just give here the border. Okay, I can give here border of thin solid Gainsborough, and I can give here the padding as well. Padding I'll give here 20px. Okay, 20px, and I can give here border. Okay, border radius as well. Border radius I can give here 10px. I can give here the box shadow as well. Box shadow as well. So box shadow I'll give here 1px, 10px, and 20px. RGBA value I'll give here. So close this 0, 0, 0.3 I'll give here, and I can give here text. I can give here text align. Okay, align I can give here left. Okay, we can make it center right as well. So as of now, just give here transition I'll give here all 0.3 seconds is in out. Close this. So as of now, just save this file. Okay, just save this file. And now come here and refresh this page now. Yeah, so now this looks cool. So go to the actual size one more time. Yeah, so guys, this looks cool. You can see here, this is now dynamic and eye pleasing and interactive user profile card. Okay, you can see here, this is now dynamic, interactive and eye pleasing user profile card. Okay, but I'm going to show here the other details as well very quickly. Then we will create the button, and then we will create the modal dynamically to show the all the other details about the particular user. Okay, I'm going to create all the things now very quickly. So come here and let me just first go to the enlarge it. So okay, this will be visible to you. What I'm doing here, the coding part will be visible to you. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to what I'll do here, I will just show here the other things as well, okay, of the user. So let me guys, okay, give me, okay, a few moments only to breathe in, okay, the fresh air. Okay, okay, so guys, let's just continue. I don't have any time. So create here p element. So create here p element, and now I'll just say here, give the class, okay, class, I'll say here card text, and I'll just show here, or I'll say here user dot, okay, I'll just show here the user company name. Okay, so I'll just say here user company, user company, company, user company dot name to show the company name. This is it. So let's just copy this and paste it couple of times. Okay, paste it couple of times now. Okay, so now this is it, so to show the company. And now let's just cut it out from here, and now what I'll do here, I'll just check. Okay, first I'll check here. Okay, first I'll just check here. We will say here user, okay, user, okay, this property, okay guys, this property is active. Okay, is active. If it is active, we will show the active. If it is false, we will show the false. Okay, if active is true, we will show the active. If active is false, we will show the active false. Okay, so now I'm doing here, I'm going to do that now. So if user dot is active, okay, is active, okay, so we will just say here active, otherwise we will show here, show here inactive. Okay, inactive, this is it. And now let's just remove this. We will show here the user dot profile type. Okay, this dynamic, okay, this, okay, custom property, this custom property profile type platform or is developer. This is the custom property we have just added. Okay, this is the custom property of the user we have just added inside this response.data using the c.users.forEach method, and we have called here one callback function. Okay, so just copy this profile type. This is the property profile type, and just paste it here to show the profile type. Okay, this is it. And now I'll just show here the platform as well. So let's just copy this platform property from here and just paste it here. It will show the platform as a service now. So just to paste it here, and now I'll show the is developer as well. Okay, so is developer will be the always Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so come here, and now let's just remove this. And just paste it here. So guys, as of now, just save the file, right click here and click save. So now come here and now refresh the page. Loading users, please wait. So now guys, we can see here all the things here. So let's just go to the actual size very quickly. So decrease it. Okay, so now guys, this looks cool here. Okay, here is the active premium ServiceNow, platform is ServiceNow, and developer is Prabhat Pandit. Okay, you can see here on each and every user profile card this looks okay. Guys, you can see here each and every user profile card looks eye pleasing, dynamic and interactive user profile card. Okay, this is it. So come here and let's just instead of we'll just say here, okay, let's just come here. They will show here some text also. I'll just say here profile. Okay, I just say here profile. Let's just enlarge this for you only. I'm doing this. Okay, please guys subscribe now. Okay, and now I'll just say here platform. Okay, platform, it will show the ServiceNow platform, and I'll just say here developer is Prabhat Pandit. So as of now, just save the file. And now just come here and refresh this file as well. Loading user, please wait. Okay, so now loaded. You can see here profile is premium, platform is ServiceNow, and developer is Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now if we want, we can show the other data as well. Go to the developer tools. Okay guys, if you want, okay guys, if you want, you can show the other other details as well of the user, but this is it. I'm going to show this much of details, this much of data only, otherwise it is going to consume a lot of time. Okay, and you are free to show other data as well, other details as well. Okay, you can show here the company. Okay, you can show here the company. You can show here the company name. Okay, you can see, go to the company. Okay, and here is the company dot name. You can see here okay, so let's just for you only, let's just show the company name only. So company dot name, I'll show the company name as well. So come here and copy this. Okay, for you only, I'll show the company name. So let's just paste it here. So I'll just say here user dot company dot name. Okay, user dot company dot name to show the company name. So let's just save this file. Okay, so we have to say here instead of developer, we have to say here inside the HTML part, instead of developer, so instead of developer we have to say here company. So now just save the file one more time. So now come here and now refresh, and now we will be able to see the company as well of the particular user. Okay, okay, loading user data, please wait. So now we can see here company is now here, company is now here, company is now here. Let me go to the actual size very quickly. So decrease this. So now this looks cool. Okay, so now on each and every user profile card, I have shown here user profile pic, user name, user email, active profile type, platform, ServiceNow, developer, Prabhat Pandit, and company as well. Guys, you are free to show the other details as well. Okay guys, you are free to show the other details as well. Okay, I'm going to create here one button now very quickly. So let's just go to the enlarge this. So this is it. Come here now. We have to now create here one button as well. Okay, so below this P, I'm going to create here one button. So button, and let's just close this button very quickly and just give here class as well. So I'll just say here btn. I'll just say here info, and I'll just say here c user details. Okay, see user details, and we have to now we have to create here one function as well. So I'm going to create here one function as well. So here I'm going to create here one function. Okay, I'm going to create here one function as well. So I'll just say here c, okay, c dot, okay, c user details. C user details is a function name, details equal to, I'll just create here function like this. Okay, I'll just create a function like this. Okay, so now I'll just say here sp modal dot alert. I'll show the alert. Okay, first of all, let's just say here, let's just remove this extra. I'll just say here hello service now developers. Okay, developers, just copy this. Now it will be available inside our HTML template, inside our view part as well. So copy this function name from here, and now just come up, and on this button I'll just say here ng click equal to, I'll just paste this like this. So close this. This is it. Just save the file, hit save. Yeah, it is being saved now. So now saved. Yeah, just come here and now refresh this page. Now loading user data, please wait. So now we got here button, and now click the button to see the modal. So see, boom guys, boom, hello ServiceNow developer is here. This is doing great. Click this, you can see hello ServiceNow developer is doing great. Hello ServiceNow developer is doing great. Okay, so guys, now you can see here the modal is now being doing great. So we have to show the data now inside the modal as well, including user profile pic, username, email, okay, all the details as well. So just come here, and now we will pass this user object. Okay guys, we will pass this user object, this entire user object inside this, okay, or through this function, this. Okay, so we have to grab this user object here also. So come down, and now I'm going to grab it now like this. So just paste it here like this. Okay, so now I'll just create here one var as well. So very quickly I'm going to create here one var. Okay, so guys, very quickly I'm going to create here one var. Okay, so this is it. So now I'm going to first of all, this is it. So let's just first of all just check. Okay, first of all just check if user is there or not, if user exists or not. Okay, if user exists or not. Okay, I'll just say here user, this user object. Okay, this user object. Okay, if it is there, we will show the alert. Otherwise we will show the alert to the user saying please nothing found. Okay, try again. Okay, so this is it. I'll just say here sp modal dot alert, sp modal dot alert. I'll just say here user data not found, user data not found. Okay, and we will just return. We want to do anything, we will just return. Okay, just this. Okay, if this user does not exist, if there is no user, we won't show nothing. Okay, we won't show anything. Okay, we won't show anything. And now I'll just create here another var using the giving the address to show the user address equal to, I'll just say here user. Okay, user, this user, okay, this user dot address. Okay, this user dot address. Okay, equal to, okay, if this exists. Okay, if this user dot address, if it exists, we will just create here, user. Okay, user dot address, dot suite. Okay, user dot address dot suite plus, okay, concatenate comma plus, and now again I'll just say here user, okay, dot address, and now dot, I'll just show here street. Okay, street, again plus, I'll just again concatenate the comma plus, I will again create here user dot I'll just say here city. Okay, user dot address, dot city. Okay, and now again I'll just concatenate. So I'll just use here plus, and I'll concatenate here, this time this minus, and again I'll just give you a plus, and just say here zip code as well. I'll just say here user dot address dot zip code. Okay, zip code, this is it. Okay, zip code, this is it. If otherwise we will say here not available, nothing available. Okay, this is it. I have shown you guys everything. So go to the inspect one more time. Let me just go to the console. Let's just open this. Yeah, just go to the here is the address. So here is the address, city, geolocation, street, suite, and zip code. Here is the guys address is an object, and it contains city, geolocation, street, suite, and zip code. Okay, and this is what I'm doing here. This is what I'm doing here. Okay, this is what I did here. Okay, so now I'll create here another var. I'll create here as a company. Okay, as a company, to show the company name. Okay, to show the company name, equal to, I just say here user dot company, if it exists. Okay, if it exists, we will just say here user dot company dot name. Okay, to show the company name. Otherwise we will show here nothing. Okay, otherwise we will show here not available. Okay, this is it. So just close this now, and now I'll just create here one var also, message array. Okay, message array like this. Okay, so now just to close this, or so let's just copy this image URL, and just now, okay, just now give here single quote and paste it here, and now just remove this double curly braces. We don't need here double curly braces, we need here plus. Okay, we need here concatenation. Okay, we need here concatenation. Okay, so I'll just give here we need here concatenation like this. Okay, this is it. Give comma here, and now again I will create here br. Okay, line break, and now I'll just say here name. Okay, give a space, give colon, and now again I'll use the concatenation, and I'll just show here name. Okay, so I'll just say here user. Okay, user, guys, this user object, I have shown you, I've explained you. Okay, this user object. Okay, so user, to show the name of the user, we will say here user dot name. Otherwise we will show here not available. Okay, not available, so not available. Okay, so now let's just, as of now, let's just say here dot join. Okay, I'm going to use here join method, and we all know what is this join method all about. Okay, so guys, this join method is going to join the array of, okay, array in a single string. Okay, in a single string, but I'll give here new line. Okay, 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 so I'll give here new line. Okay, not it's an. Okay, new line. So this is it. So now just give your comma here again, and just copy this and paste it here. So our template is ready. We just have to change the, okay, we just have to change the details. Okay, so now I'll just, instead of name, I'll just say here email. Instead of name, I'll say here email, and instead of name, I'll just say here phone, and instead of phone here, I'll just say here company, and instead of company, I'll just show here website. Okay, website, and instead of name, I'll just show here address, and instead of name, I'll show here I can say here type. Okay, to show the type of the user, whether he or she is a simple user or premium user. Okay, so instead of name, I'll just say here email. So email, and I'll just say here phone, and company. I have just created here this variable, so copy this variable name company from here, and just replace with this. Okay, this is it. And instead of website, I'll just show here website. I'll just say here user.website to show the website. This is it. And instead of address, I have just created here the address variable as well, so copy this address variable from here, and now just paste it here. This is it. And I'll just say here user dot, okay, type. Okay, so just go up and see what is the okay, so type is profile type. Okay, so copy this and let's just paste it here. Okay, so guys, this is it. And instead of this message inside the alert, what we will do now, we will just show this message inside the alert. So copy this message and remove this text from here and paste it here. As of now, just save this file. And now come here and refresh this page now. So just close this. I'm very sorry, loading user data. Now it is not loaded. So first of all, go to the actual size. So decrease this. Yeah, so now just click the button of this profile, click it now, see user details. So see, boom guys, boom, here is the user profile pic, here is the name. Okay, so why address is not here, why address is not here, so address should be here only. So why address is not here? Okay, so we can see here user profile pic, username, email, phone, company website address, and type also, which is premium. So we have to check this address, what is the issue here. So come here, so come here, and let's just enlarge this first for you only, because I'm coding here so that you can see it very easily and very efficiently. So where address, so if user dot okay, here is the wrong spelling, spelling is okay, misspell. So let's just see here, a double t. Okay, so now everything is okay. So copy this address variable again and just paste it here. So now just save this file. Okay, we have to do here one more thing. I'm going to enlarge the profile pic as well. Okay, little bit profile pic I'm going to enlarge. So instead of 150, I'll just say here 250. Okay, 250 I'll say here. Now just save this file one more time. So now it is saved. Come here and now refresh this page. First of all, go to the actual size, so decrease this. Now refresh this page. Loading user data, please wait. Okay, so guys, now just click this button, see user details. So see, boom guys, now address is here, this is the user profile pic, this is the name, this is the email, this is the phone number, this is the company website address, and type is also premium user. Okay, type is premium. Okay, so just click OK. So now this user profile pic, click the button, see user details. So see, here is the same user profile pic, name, email, phone, company website address, and type is premium. So click OK. So instead of just premium, we will say here premium user. Okay, instead of just premium, we will say here premium user. Okay, premium user. Inside the property user dot okay, profile type will say here premium user. Okay, so just now save this file. So now come here and refresh this page. Okay, so this is it guys, and now this will work very fine, very smoothly. Okay, so now here is the same user profile pic, here is the name, here is the phone, email, company website address, and type is also premium user. Click OK. So now just see this details of this particular user, this user. So click the button, see user details. So here is the same profile pic, here is the name, email, phone, company website address, and type is also premium user. Click OK. This user profile pic, click the button, see user details. Here is the profile pic, here is the name, here is the email, here is the phone, here is the company, here is the website, here is the address, here is the type, premium user. Click OK. So now this user profile pic, so click the button, see user details. Okay, so now here is the same profile pic. I have just shown here the same profile pic in the Modal as well. Okay, so you can see here name, email, phone, company website address, and type is also premium user. Click OK. Okay, so this user, this will also. Okay, so guys, now this is doing great, this is doing dynamic now. So everything is great and everything is dynamic now. There is no any issue, there is no any problem at all. and I hope guys you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow. And I hope guys you are now excited, you are now thrilled to learn and to create this application in ServiceNow on your own. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned something cool, something great. Okay guys, if you still have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then guys you can ask me in the comment section, in the comment box below. I'll try to read it, I'll try to address it, and I will definitely try to guys give you the best possible answer, best possible solution as well. Okay, so this is it guys, all about for this session, for this tutorial in ServiceNow. In the next video guys, we will learn something new, something dynamic, something great in ServiceNow as well. Okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel, code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified and you will be able to watch my video. And definitely guys, I'm sorry, and definitely guys you're going to grow also in your professional IT career. So please guys subscribe now, and please press the bell icon also. Okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now, and you have learned something great, something cool in ServiceNow from this video, from this tutorial of mine. Okay, so okay, so thank you guys for watching my content, for watching my tutorial, and it means a lot guys. Okay, if you will subscribe my channel code with ER guys, it means a lot to me if you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER. So please guys, it's a request from a friend to a friend, it's a request from a brother to a brother. Please guys subscribe now, and please press the bell icon also. Okay, and please guys do like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and ServiceNow as well. Okay, and please guys don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks a lot everyone guys. Okay, thanks a lot everyone, from core of my heart, from bottom of my heart. Thank you guys, thank you, thanks a lot, a lot, a lot. Okay, for watching my content and for subscribing to my channel code with ER. Thank you guys. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, stay tuned guys. Bye bye guys, this is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.